everyone, and welcome back to another Make It and Take It. Today we will be making these really pretty fall wreaths. Earlier this week you should have gotten another fun bag with all kinds of cool stuff in it. We are going to start with the popsicle sticks. You want to lay 2 of them down. You're going to take your glue, dab glue about 1/2 inch to 1 inch in from the edges. And we're going to take our stick, and you want to leave that little crisscross, kind of get this stick lined up so that you can put your dab glue there. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just making a nice little wreath shape. Let's put dab glue here before we set it down. So just like so. And you're gonna set that aside and let it dry. A couple hours, it should be good enough. Maybe overnight if you're really worried about it and you end up with a piece like this. Once you have your piece like that, you're gonna empty your bag out. You're just going to arrange your things however you like. I will say you wanna make sure this is your top. And if you need to, put your ribbon on ahead of time, just put it around, make a little knot, pull it. So there's your hanger, and the reason you wanna do that is you've got that peak and it'll hang real nice. And you're just gonna I started with my leaves, and you're just going to, let's see, let's put a pretty little green one up here. Let's do it that way. And I think because I'm putting a leaf up there, maybe I'll put one of this we've got the brown ribbon. It ran away. Let's put a little, they're kind of like little acorns. Let's put some leaves down here. So this part is totally up to you. Everybody's leaf should be unique to themselves. And I think maybe down there we'll put a couple more little acorn things. Now with the balls, you just sort of set them down and walk away. Otherwise, when you hold it up, they will roll away. Your wreath, again, is your own creation. Let's turn your leaves this way and that. Just make them nice and pretty. I got a couple stuck together. So everybody should have about the same amount of leaves. Those 2 are stuck together. They can stay there. I think down here, now your little pumpkin has a long little stem, and he is one of those because he is so very, very round. If you push his stem down into the pumpkin, it'll give you a little bit extra. Put some glue on that piece of stick. I'm gonna put this pumpkin right here on the bottom. And the reason you put the glue on the stick and push it down a little bit is you're gonna take a little piece of tape and you're going to put it on that stick to help hold it where you want it while it dries. Got a cute little owl. Let's pick a spot to put him. And anyhow, continue. Decorate your wreath. When you're all done, hang it up on your doorknob, in a window. There you go. Join me again next time, and I'll show you how to make a cat out of a gourd. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.